Good day everyone. Standard 9th, Chapter 5, Introduction to Euclid's Geometry. Today we are going to start with Geometry chapter. Very short and very easy. So first I will explain what is the meaning of the word geometry. Geometry comes from the combination of two Greek words, geo meaning the earth and metring meaning to measure. Thales is considered to be pioneer of geometry. Euclid gave 23 definitions in book 1 of the elements. So one by one we will study. Now we go to exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1 question number 1 says, I am reading the question, you also have to read. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Give reason for your answer. First one, only one line can pass through a single point. So what is your answer? The given statement is false. Why? Ask the question to yourself. Because many lines or infinite lines can pass through a single point. The reason is clear? Okay. Second, there are an infinite number of lines which pass through two distinct points. Second statement again false, because if it is so, the distance between 2 points can never be defined. Also, it contradicts postulate 1. Third, a terminated line can be produced indefinitely on both the sides. True according to postulate 2. If two circles are equal, then their radii are equal. It is true, because if two circles are equal, their circumferences as well as their centers will coincide and the radii are also equal. Now you will see Euclid had given 5 postulates. First, a straight line may be drawn from any one point to another point. Axiom 5.1, given two distinct points, there is a unique line passing through them. Theorem 5.1, two distinct lines cannot have more than one point in common. Okay? A circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. All right angles are equal to one another. So now we will see the question number 2. One is clear to everyone? Okay, question number first, fifth one is left. In the given figure is there in the textbook. If AB is equal to PQ and PQ is equal to XY, then AB is equal to XY. It is true, because according to axiom 1, AB and XY are equal to PQ. So AB is equal to XY. Now we are going to question number 2. Give a definition for each of the following terms. Are there other terms that need to be defined first? What are they and how might you define them? So let us go to question number 2. The first one is parallel lines. What are parallel lines? We should know it. Chalo. The lines which lie in the same plane and do not intersect anywhere are called parallel lines. Diagram is done for you, and the best example is railway lines. Then two sides of the board, opposite sides. Now we go to perpendicular lines. Two lines intersect in each other at right angles are called perpendicular lines. Have you seen? Now we go to line segment. Have you heard about the line segment? Yes. It is a part of line and having two end points. In other words, it is also called a terminated line. This is the figure of line, A and B included in it, and this is line segment AB. Radius of circle. Any line segment joining the center of circle to any point on its circumference is called its radius. OA is called radius. Length of radius of circle is also referred as radius of circle. Square. All have heard about square. A quadrilateral with all four sides equal and all the four angles equal 90 degree. All sides same, all angles same is called a square. There are many other terms like line, plane, right angle, center of circle, circumference, quadrilateral that need to be defined. Line and plane cannot be defined, so they are taken as undefined terms. Now we go to the others. Right angle. What is a right angle? An angle of 90 degree is called a right angle. Center of circle. A point in the plane of a circle which is at equal distance from all the points of the circle is called center of the circle. Circumference. The length of the boundary of a circle is called its circumference. Can you give me the formula of circumference of circle? You should know it. Yes, anyone? Yes, it is 2 pi r. R is the radius. Now we go to question number 3. Question number 3 हम read कर रहे हैं. आपको भी read करना है. Consider two postulates given below. Given any two distinct points A and B, there exists a third point C which is in between A and B. The answer is yes. This postulate contains undefined terms like point and line. Second, there exist, open it x2 can sit, there exist at least 3 points that are not on the same line. The answer is yes. These postulates are consistent. Now, postulate 1 states that given two distinct points A and B, there are 2 points on the line, then there is a point C, third point on the line AB which lies between A and B. Postulate 2 states that two distinct points A and B, we have at least one point C which does not lie on the line AB. These postulates do not follow from Euclid's postulate. They follow from axiom 5.1. Now next question, very easy and definitely will be asked. If a point C lies between 2 points A and B, see the diagram, and it is given AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is half of AB. Explain by drawing the figure. AC is equal to BC is given to you. Add AC on both the sides. We get AC plus AC is equal to BC plus AC. Then we get 2AC is equal to AB. So AC will be half of AB. BC plus AC coincides with AB, axiom 4, and this is according to axiom 7. Now we go to question number 5. Chalo, we will read question number 5 first. In question number 4, point C is called a midpoint of line segment AB. Prove that every line segment has one and only one midpoint. C is equidistant from A and B. Suppose D is other point, then point C is also a midpoint of line segment. Then according to the question 4, we have AD is equal to half AB. AC is equal to half AB is proved in question number 4. So AD is equal to AC. So D and C both lie on AB between A and B and at the same distance from A. This proves that D and C are same points. They coincide. Every line segment has only one midpoint. Very important. Question number 6. In the given figure, if AC is equal to BD, prove that AB is equal to CD. Let us start. AC is equal to BD given to you. Now, what is added both the sides? Tell me now. BC. AC is equal to BD. So AC could be written as AB plus BD. Sorry, see the diagram? I'll explain. AC is equal to BD is given to you. So what is AC? AC is a combination of AB plus BC. आया समझ में? What is BD? BC plus CD. AB plus BC. BC इसको माइनस किया, दोनों तरफ माइनस किया है, तो AB is equal to CD. Now we are going to question number 7. बहुत easy है. Why is axiom 5 in the list of Euclid's axiom considered a universal truth? Note that the question is not about the fifth postulate. The answer is Euclid's axiom 5 states that the whole is greater than a part. Whole is greater than a part. The word part itself is meant for something which is less than the whole. आया समझ में? So it is considered as universal truth. Thank you. Read the solutions again, points again. We'll meet soon.